Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. Let's paint. I want to start off with a soft base. Let's drop some white and I think some violet oxide. That creates like this brownish rose color. Some white and some violet oxide. Let's see if this is enough. You see? Soft rose color. It's cute. Diving in right away, I know. I just can't wait to paint today. All right, here we go. A soft rose base. Let's start working with the violet oxide here. Let me think about this. What do I want to do today? Didn't think a lot further than the base. But most of the times that works out. So, you know what? I feel like just dropping more of this violet oxide and make some brush strokes with that. Shall I just do that? I'm just gonna do that. That's new. That is new. Trying not to overthink this. Well, we do have something going on here. Let's feel like doing that way. A lot of circular motions. I love that. It's not too bad for a start. Let's take this away. Okay, this is a great start. I love that I dropped this color just out of nowhere. You know that moss green that I created in another painting where I started with like this soft grayish background? That could very well work here together with this color. So let's mix that. Let's just see. Sap green, Jenkins green, and just a little bit of black. Oh, it's on the brush, that's for sure. If this color is on here, there's no way back with that palette. Well, no risk, no magic, right? Let's continue with the green. Let's just do it. It's bringing out some layers. Let's blend it in a little bit more. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Let's go ahead and build this up with some more green, and that this pink serves more like the background. Could be cool. Yeah, I see potential. That's what I see. Yeah, right, this does have potential, especially this part now. Let's wet that. We're putting quite some effort in the background layer here. Alright, this is cool. I can create something here, I think. Let's see. Okay, I love where this is going at this moment. Maybe you don't see the vision yet, but I think I do. I keep mixing that darker color, the sap green and black. Alright, now this composition is coming more together. Let's start working with some white and this dark color. I think it does not need a lot more, because the background now, which I worked on forever, is doing heavy lifting. Yeah. That's stunning, isn't it? I'm having so much fun working on this one, honestly. Love that too. It's always that adding the white later, it just gives a lot of depth. Make one more here. Just thinking here, if I shall use the pink, just a little. So mixing the violet oxide with some titanium white. I do it. I just like this painting. I really like it. It has so much motion. And it's so soft, but it has so much contrast as well. I kind of wish this part was a little bit more blended. Like this and that. Bringing in some of that pink. And it's too harsh, this line. So focused on details. I keep coming back like this or like this. I think like this. And is this part enough like that? I'm just gonna build more. Let's just do it. Let's just go for it. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna paint. Yes. Now this looks great. I'm gonna stop. Let's call it a day. I'm gonna stop. I'm not happy with this part, but hey, let's take this win. I'll be back. And here you go, the final end result of today's painting. Well, this has been quite the process, and I was really doubting the pink together with that green, but it ended up working out very well. I enjoy all these background layers. It was quite a struggle, but it gives a lot more body to this painting and a lot more depth. I also enjoy that there is quite some negative space still. I don't know how I managed to keep that, but yeah, here we are. Circular motion yet again, but that's something that I really love. Let me know what you think about this color palette, about this painting. I would love to hear that. And I'll see you next week, Saturday.